We're back at Tavolata in Spokane. Unique cocktails, fun atmosphere, and stunning dishes are just a few things that make this spot the perfect stop for anyone looking for a unique Washington experience.
I absolutely love this place. It's like my new Spokane favorite.
You can tell when you're having the food that it's fresh. Seems like they have a lot of good options for different food, appetizers, and drinks.
What is the experience that you want people to have when they come here?
We really kind of leave that up to the guests.
Tanya Siff and her husband Scott run Tavolata Spokane. They want to make every customer feel welcome regardless of what kind of experience they're expecting.
We, I think, kind of pride ourselves in being able to give whatever experience you're looking for.
You could come in, have a dinner with 6 friends, enjoy some bottles of wine, but you could also just come in for a quick snack as well.
The whole atmosphere is really positive.
I'd say it's like a really classy, kind of laid back place to dress up, go out with your friends.
It's super different from any other Spokane restaurant I've noticed.
We definitely try to make things that are really approachable but have an interesting spin on them at the same time.
If you were in Italy, they would showcase the products that they have there.
Of course.
We are obviously in the Pacific Northwest, so we do have really awesome produce out here, really good beef, pork.
And so what are you and I going to make?
Right now it's summer. We want to create that summer seasonal vibe, so we're going to do a potato gnocchi with zucchini, yellow squash, and corn. 4 ingredients, really simple but delicious.
Delicious.
Yeah.
Oh, you had me at gnocchi. So.
Yeah, there you go. So we got some beautiful russet potatoes from Eastern Washington.
Awesome. Why russets for gnocchi?
So russet is a drier potato. When you work potato too much, it gets a little mushy. So we go with russet potatoes to just maintain the dryness.
I see.
They're also, awesome potatoes.
They're awesome. Okay.
Before we got here, Scott baked the potatoes at 450 degrees for 2 hours to soften them up. To start off, we scoop out the insides.
I just ripped mine open.
Yeah, it works. That's the beauty of this.
Yeah.
You can mess it up and nobody knows.
Next, we run the potatoes through a ricer.
So what this does is push it all through without it being worked too much.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Yep.
That's so cool.
And you can see it's like a nice light texture.
Very satisfying.
It is.
Now it's on to making dough. Scott makes a divot in the potato, puts an egg yolk in it, and adds a little flour.
Instead of working this dough, we're just gonna kind of cut everything into it. So now you can see it's starting to kind of stick together and form that dough, but we're not working it so much where it becomes wet and contains more moisture.
We flatten the dough out and start cutting gnocchi pieces. Then we start rolling them.
So this is a gnocchi paddle. So just take your fingertips, roll it once that way, then I'll do it twice. We'll take that one out of there.
Oh, you don't like that one?
No, we got plenty more. If you don't have a gnocchi paddle, I've done them without plenty of time. It's kind of experimenting.
Yeah.
If you have a fork at home, great, try to make it work.
Give it a go.
Exactly.
Kind of cone-shaped.
Yeah, well then you can always just go in there and fix that up.
I don't know if I'm getting the hang of it, but
Well, we're gonna make it work.
We boil the gnocchi and then it's on to the sauce. We start by cooking some zucchini and yellow squash, then add some corn and Parmesan stock and let it cook down a little. We add a little truffle butter and then it's time for the gnocchi. To top it all off, we sprinkle on some Pecorino Romano cheese and a little chive.
the colors are so beautiful.
Yeah, it really represents summer well.
Yeah, it does.
And there you have it.
They're so soft and yummy.
Not too difficult to do. You gotta put your love into it as well.
That was delicious. Little potato pillows of love.
Exactly.
To get the recipe for Tavolata's potato gnocchi with summer squash, visit wagrown.com.